Hello and welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn some facts about elephants. Elephants are the world's largest land animal. The African elephant is the world's largest land mammal, with males on an average measuring up to 3 meters high and weighing up to 6 tons. Males only reach their full size at 35 to 40 years of age. That's well over half their lifespan, as wild elephants can live up to 60 to 70 years. And it's not just adults, even calves are huge. At birth, elephants can weigh up to 120 kgs. An elephant never forgets. The elephant's temporal lobe, that is, the area of the brain associated with memory, is larger and denser than that of the people. Hence, saying that elephants never forget is not bad. Elephants are constantly eating. Elephants need up to 150 kgs of food per day. That's around 375 tons of baked beans, although half of this may leave the body undigested. They eat so much that they can spend up to 3/4 of their day eating. Elephants have got thick skin. An elephant's skin is 2.5 centimeter thick in the most places. The folds and wrinkles in their skin can retain up to 10 times more water than the flat skin does, which helps to cool them down. They keep their skin clean and protect themselves from sunburn by taking regular dust and mud baths. Around 90% of the African elephants have been wiped out in the past century, largely due to ivory trade, leaving an estimated 415,000 wild elephants alive today. Asian elephants are also under threat, having declined by at least 50% in the last 3 generations. There are only around 45,000 left in the wild. As their habitat changes and is lost to human settlements and agriculture, populations of Asian elephants are finding it harder to follow their traditional migration routes to reach water, feeding and breeding grounds, and they are coming into often dangerous contact with people. Their tusks are actually their teeth. Elephant tusks are actually enlarged incisor teeth, which first appear when elephants are around 2 years old. Tusks continue to grow throughout their lives. Tusks are used to help with feeding, prizing bark off trees, or digging up roots, or as a defense when fighting. But these beautiful tusks often cause elephants some danger. They are made of ivory. Ivory is a much desired object, so elephants are usually poached for their teeth. Poachers kill about 20,000 elephants every single year for their tusks, which are then traded illegally in the international market to eventually end up as ivory trinkets. This trade is mostly driven by demand for ivory in the parts of Asia. Cows can stand within 20 minutes of birth. Amazingly, elephant cows are able to stand within 20 minutes of being born and can walk up within 1 hour. After 2 days, they can keep up with their herd. This incredible survival technique means that herd of elephants can keep migrating to find food and water to thrive or survive. You can tell the two species apart by their ears. There are 2 species of elephants, African and Asian. The ears of African elephants are much larger than their cousins and are described as being shaped like the African continent, whereas the ears of Asian elephants are shaped like the Indian subcontinent. There is also a trunk difference. Asian elephants have 2 fingers at the tip of their trunks, whereas African elephants have 1.